identification and specimen labeling errors. This was submitted today. And you know, I came in this morning thinking I would really like to do something to eliminate specimen labeling errors throughout your hospital. I mean, it's legit with barcode specimen collection. Even in areas such as the ED and ICU, where nursing staff may collect a high percentage of specimens. And then it goes on and explains, best regards, Linda. That's hard for you to read. You get a sense of the email. Let me hear what you might do to make it better. Somebody quickly. Yes. I heard something back there, and I saw a hand start to go up. Right back there. It's a hard one for you, isn't it?
No, he was stretching.
Say it again. We have someone right here. We have someone right here. Go.
There's no value. There's no actual value in the subject line. There's nothing you're actually going to obtain. It just says here when nurses.
Okay.
I'm saying I can gossip over plenty. I don't need you to do anything now.
All right, let me do this. I'll take one more right back there. Go ahead.
About adding a headline?
I agree with you. In fact, I've got 4 minutes and 25 seconds left. I want to actually try to do more of these. Would you mind if I just hit this one hard? Because this one is actually a good one to learn from. Number one, don't be concerned that there's a lot of text. That's probably good. It feels like a letter. It feels personal. It's coming to a hospital. It shouldn't feel like hype. It shouldn't feel sales-driven. And that approach will probably produce a higher response than you might understand. In fact, we have seen far higher conversion rates by using light HTML or text with very few images than we see in these image-laden, heavy emails like are common right now being sent. There are some exceptions sometimes, not all the time. In fact, even with e-commerce, sometimes text focus is good. But sometimes in e-commerce, you want to use images to help illustrate your point. But let's fix this and make it better. First of all, it needs a headline. Above the Dear Stacy needs to be a bold headline, and that would be a good place to also use the R-E colon, like that's how we put in a formal letter, and it might be something like, you know, preventing XXX, saving XXX, the issue that's discussed in the first paragraph. The second thing I would do is I would put bold font in key words in this body so that there is a natural eye path through the text. The third thing I would do is I wouldn't move through a second paragraph without adding several bullets. 2 or 3 key bullets that emphasize the core value and makes it easier for me to digest. The final thing I would do is use a blue text link or call to action right down there near the signature, and I wouldn't have the Linda track be so large because that is nothing to click on. It's getting in the way of the call to action. I would make that smaller text, and at the conclusion of the letter, I would have one of 2 things. I'd test it with a blue underlined text link right near the end, and I'd also consider adding a 3-dimensional button right there. And it would have very simple key wording that would help you discover more, find out more, see an example, that type of thing that would make it very easy for me to scan quick, see what I want to do, and click where I need to click to get to where I need to go. Does that make sense for everyone? So we're going to move. Here's another one. Microdesk.